I'm from the United States, so this is the US or the American pronunciation of the word entrepreneur. Keep in mind that there are actually two ways to pronounce this word, entrepreneur and entrepreneur. Both of these are accepted, although the first one is more common. So I'm going to focus the rest of this video on the first pronunciation, entrepreneur. The first tip that I have for you is that it's important that you flow through this word quite quickly. If you linger too long on the vowel sounds, you will tend to muddle the word. Rather, it's important that you let each syllable flow quite quickly into the one after it. There are 4 syllables, entrepreneur. It's important to remember that the vowels are almost insignificant. Other than the very first one, on, the others get eaten or diminished by the R sound that comes right before or after it. Entrepreneur. Second, the first syllable, on, you do pronounce this O sound rather clearly. On. It's important that you flow quickly into the second syllable, which is tra. Entra. Entra. Then once again, it's the R sound that takes precedence in the third syllable. Per. And that should flow rather quickly into the fourth syllable, ner. Again, it's the R sound that takes dominance over the other sounds in this syllable. Entrepreneur. 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 If you're pronouncing it the other way, it would sound entrepreneur. The beat or the rhythm to this word would be da 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 da. Entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. Okay, I hope that these tips have helped you. See you next time.